nothing but an expired exit from my life. An expired exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An expired exit from my life. Bye bye. I don't miss your mind tricks or your lies. I don't miss where.
My friend Yumna taught me this hack for flawlessly removing fish skin without a special knife, and it's the perfect trick for making this ultimate feel-good meal. Here's something you can make for dinner right now. Takes no time at all. Spices, olive oil. Let this do its thing. Let's go make the sauce. I don't know if it's because I was raised Greek and only grew up eating kotopoulos, patates, limonato, sofruno, but I only just discovered honey glazed salmon, and it's honestly completely changed my life. I've been these years, and it's the perfect match with this salmon. When you throw it on a bed of the warm rice with crispy cucumber and a drizzle of that honey glaze on top, it's a flavor bomb. The mango salsa is creamy, spicy, and super fresh, basically like a burst of sunshine in every bite. If your mom didn't teach you how to make meat stuffed pita growing up, don't worry. I'm your mommy now. Welcome back to Getting to Know Your Greek Bestie. Today, we're making Greek-inspired arayas, otherwise known as Middle Eastern meat stuffed pita. One thing about me is that I love Middle Eastern food. Their love and use of ingredients like honey, olives, olive oil, pita, dates, and sumac bring joy to my heart. The food in our cultures intertwine and overlap, so it felt fitting to make gift lemon and served with our bio tzatziki. If you want more delicious recipes from me, then be sure to click that follow button. Find the full recipe linked in my bio, and it's also always available on the Food by Maria app.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing.